Hi there. So ignore the setup. But today I picked up this and two of these. Apparently these were released today. I have actually never opened one of these. This is my first time getting one of these, and I'm excited to find out what's in it. It was kind of nice, you know. Oh my god, I can't open it. Okay, I'm back. But when I saw that my Gamestop was offering this today, or, you know, Saturday, I kind of wanted to pick one up because of nostalgia. You know, nothing's really, you know, there's no Black Friday, it doesn't feel like Black Friday, and I don't know, I'm trying to relive the good parts of my childhood. So, yeah, I don't know, I've never done this before, so, yeah. It is what it is. I'm excited. What did I get? Okay. I don't even know what's all in here. What is this? Is this the graded card? I have no idea what I'm doing. What did I get? A Gyarados. I don't know what any of these numbers mean. I'm gonna be real, I don't know, but I do love Pokemon. I'm afraid to open it. Okay, so that's my graded card I got. My wife was talking about this. I don't really know. Okay, is that it? What just happened? Hold on. Okay, my light died, but I'm back. I don't know. It's a nice box. Okay, so I got Scarlet and Violet, 151. 151. I know there's a certain way. Hold on. I hate life. Okay, I didn't peek. But isn't it you like you put this one in the back? I don't remember. But let's see. Okay. I'm just gonna flip through these. Oh, look. Ooh. Okay, so I got, let's see. Nice seat. And ooh, look at this one. I actually love this Pokemon, Ninetales. Very nice. Here's my camera. I love that one. Now we're gonna open the Scarlet and Violet Surging Sparks. Let's see if this will cooperate. Hey Peachy, go. This is my dog Peach. She's cute. She is a cutie. Electric, Vulpix, blue. Some of these Pokemon I don't really know. Oh, I love that one. Ooh, that's pretty. Nice. Ooh, I love the holographic ones. They're so cute. Okay, now we're moving on to these two. Give me a moment. Okay, let's open this, see what we got. Oh, there we go. I'm getting better. This has been a long time. Yeah. This one came out of this one. Wait, did I do the card? I did. Okay. I forgot. Okay, I got Energy, Yankee. Oh, I love Marie. That's a cute little boy. Is that like a spider? Ooh. This one's, what's it? Shiny, metallic. I don't know what you want to call it. But cute. And then a Ho-Oh. Ethan's Ho-Oh. That's fancy. Ooh. I love it. Hold on. Alright, this is my last one I got today. I only wanted 2. You could get 5, but I just wanted 2. Nicey. Why do I keep saying that? Apparently my iPhone storage was full, so I'm back again. Oh god. Hold on. My Zoom's probably messed up. Hold on. Okay. Yep. Okay. We got a basic energy. Oh, I love that Pokemon. I was always more of a fire type person. I already got that one. That one's cute. Ethan. Who the fuck's Ethan? Oh, I love this Pokemon. Cyndaquil and Quilava and Typhlosion. I love those. But look at that. That's boring. But I think it has a little shine to it. And then this one. Oh, the holographic's so beautiful. Okay, so let's recap. I don't know what I'm recapping. So, this is my graded card I got. It's a Gyarados from 2009. I assume it's Diamond and Pearl. Stonefront. I don't really know what those numbers mean, but I will find out. But yeah, that was my graded card from the Power Packs at Gamestop. And then, let's see, Hollow. This one was Hollow. Get my life together. Okay. Oh, that one has stars on it. This one's really pretty. Where's my camera? It's Ninetales. I'm keeping forever. I'm keeping this one too. It's not holographic, but I love Quilava. This one's pretty. So yeah. I'm gonna try to do more unboxings. I really don't know, but yeah, this was exciting, and if you're watching still, thanks. Appreciate it. Bye.